Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to use the rates over time chart, focusing on gun deaths among children in Georgia. This chart tracks the changes in gun death rates over time. For example, here we can see that while the overall rates have stayed relatively low, gun death rates among Black children have remained disproportionately high and have spiked significantly in recent years, rising from 5.7 per 100,000 in 2018 to 10.0 per 100,000 in 2021. To use this chart, start by selecting the demographic groups you're interested in. You can focus on race, ethnicity, sex, or age groups to track how gun violence has affected different communities over time. Analyze whether the rates are rising, falling, or remaining steady. This data can help identify trends, such as the potential impact of new laws or community interventions over time. Use this data to inform your advocacy. If rates are falling, you can argue for continuing effective policies. If rates are rising, this data highlights the need for new strategies to protect vulnerable communities. Explore the data and use these trends to advocate for change. Together, we can create safer environments for children in all communities.